Symptoms of an overfilled car engine oil. Hello viewers, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Auto Vehicle Fix. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. Have you heard the adage that states everything in excess is bad? Humans can't handle too much of anything, and your car's engine is no different. A car engine cannot function without engine oil, yet over-oiling a machine can have dangerous consequences. Oil is a crucial lubricant to protect engine components, keep them tidy and clean, reduce friction between moving parts, and prevent overheating. Consequently, it is essential to perform a periodic oil change. A car's engine oil overfill issues, such as blocked emissions controls, fouled spark plugs, or engine damage, can be brought on by too much oil in the vehicle. Because of this, it's critical to recognize the signs of overfilled engine oil and address them before they worsen. The symptoms of elevated oil levels will be covered in this video. Blocked emissions. More than filling the engine with oil may appear improper, resulting in less lubrication between the moving components. This occurs due to the crankshaft, which spins swiftly as the automobile travels and often rests above the oil pan. Like a whisker rates egg whites when cooking, the crankshaft may whip engine oil into a foam if the oil level is high enough to contact it. Frothy oil does not lubricate or flow through the system as smoothly as it should. Overheating of the oil results from a slowing or cessation of oil flow. Parts may wear out prematurely if the engine isn't properly oiled, and it may even freeze up and cease working. Extra oil creates issues, such as blocked emissions controls, fouled spark plugs, or engine damage, which can be brought on by too much oil in the vehicle. Because of this, it's critical to recognize the signs of an overfilled engine oil and take action to address them before they worsen. The symptoms of elevated oil levels will be covered in this video. Fluctuating oil pressure gauge reading. If the oil pressure gauge in your automobile is moving around, there may be too much oil in the engine. The indicator receives a signal from the oil pressure sensor, which gauges the oil pressure in the engine. High oil pressure will appear on the gauge if there is too much oil in the engine, which might increase pressure. The needle may vary or move irregularly as a result of this. Oil leak. If you observe oil dripping from the engine, there may be too much oil in the engine. Multiple factors, including overfilled engine oil, can cause oil leaks. First, if the engine has too much oil in it, the lubricant may leak out via the gaskets and seals. Second, an engine with too much oil in it may experience an increase in oil pressure that finally fails its significant bearing. Also susceptible to damage or bending are connecting rods and pistons that have been overfilled with motor oil. As a result, it's crucial to ensure that your engine oil level is constantly checked and kept at the right level. Blue exhaust smoke. Blue exhaust smoke may indicate too much oil in the engine if you observe it. Oil burning in the combustion chamber is what's causing the blue haze. Inadequately drained engine oil may seep into the combustion chamber through the valve guides or piston rings. Oil may leak into the combustion chamber despite the seals. Oil will be burnt with the fuel once it has reached the combustion chamber. This oil burning is what produces the blue haze. Oil smell. If the engine smells like it has too much oil, this might be the cause. For various reasons, overfilled engine oil might produce a burning smell. One is the apparent cause of the combustion chamber's engine oil burning. As a result, the exhaust will smell like burning oil. Overfilled engine oil is another factor that may contribute to the engine running hotter than usual. The oil will degrade, as a result, releasing a burning odor. When the oil level is too high, it may touch hot engine components like the exhaust manifold. Burning may also result from this. Strange noises. If you hear strange noises from the engine, there may be too much oil. The banging or pinging rattle is the most common sound. This is brought on by excessive oil pressure, which causes the pistons and connecting rods to bang against one another. The engine may be harmed as a result. A hissing sound is another typical sound. This is brought on by oil seeping into the combustion chamber through the seals and gaskets. Additionally, if the oil leaks into the exhaust system, a hissing noise will result. That's all for today's video. Feel free to share any helpful information we've missed in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you all soon.